Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed and I'm a student at the Arabic and 60 Steps program. I just want to give my heartfelt recommendation for the course, and I just want to give some reasons why I would recommend this to anyone interested in learning Arabic as a beginner. So other than the requirement of knowing how to read and write Arabic, which Sam already explains as a prerequisite, the course takes you from that beginning stage all the way to independence, and being able to understand the Quran, being able to understand literature, poems, and being able to understand the newspaper. But that's the end goal of the course. As I'm going through the course, because I'm still a student, still going through the course, what I really find helps me go through it, because I've tried to self-study before. I've tried to studying from books myself and YouTube and stuff, and the power of having a course. It's just having a pathway, knowing you're going to go from A to Z, and seeing the finish line, as it were, and giving yourself a goal of how much you're going to learn and study every day, and then consistently keeping that consistent work ethic up every day or every week until you reach the finish line of the 60th step. Sam, he introduces different methods in the course. So obviously you have the video lessons, and then where he goes through the what you need to learn for that particular lesson, and then the 60 steps are split into 4 workbooks, 15 lessons each, and so the workbooks have challenges in them for each lesson, where you just answer and then you mark yourself with or Sam can mark your work for you, and you get yourself studying in there, and then you're able to mark yourself as well. And then there are other things like other bonus resources. There are video recaps. There are audio files that you can record. So Sam caters to the different learning styles for everyone, and I feel like as a combined method, watching the videos, then working on the audiobooks, and referencing the bonus materials, I find that I progress at a very steady pace, and it feels like you can feel that you're making progress. When I've self-studied before, this is something I've mentioned to Sam. I couldn't consciously see the progress I was making. Yeah, maybe after a couple of months, you in hindsight say, yeah, I've kind of traveled a bit of distance, but on this course, you can see what you did know and what you didn't know. And then you can see that when you've grasped the lesson, well, that's it, you've grasped it. And then it builds, every lesson builds on it. So the great thing about the course is that it's very methodical and structured deliberately. One lesson leads to the next lesson. All right. So I would wholeheartedly recommend this course to anyone wanting to have a serious desire to study the Arabic language, and then reach a level of independence in the language. Assalamu alaikum, and I hope you join the course as well and become my fellow student as well.